Okay, go. Go.
Chris. Oh my god. Seriously, you might want to run.
Why?
It's not even going off. Like, that's not good. I still want you to run. Oh shit, it's a flow candle, it's firing. Oh my god. I shouldn't go over the eye. Keep backing up for a second. Is the fire still going? Back up.
Why?
Keep going. I don't know how many. There was 6 of those air bomb things, and only 2 went off. So I'm gonna back up. Hey, look. The thing's like burning.
Oh.
Well, it's just the bottle that's burning out. Stop doing that. Fuck, it's bright. I can't even see you with my hand here.
Wave your hand around.
Ow. Yo, I wonder what's on fire. Is it the fire or is it the picnic table?
Oh shit, better not be the table.
Let's go look.
Oh fuck.
Something's burning though. You want to sleep then?
What about that? What if this like place is on fire?
It can't, man. The friggin' trees won't burn, so why would the grass burn? It's like pure water.
Oh yeah.
There's something flying in front of us.